lot of people don't even know about this super powerful feature in Sora 2. And that's exactly what I used to make this movie.
So what's so good about Fishville?
The best thing is that it has no sharks.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sora 2's image-to-video feature to create insanely powerful videos just like this one. But before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. So, let's get started. So to make the image, you can literally use any model you like, Dream, whatever works for you. But I'm using NanoBana because honestly, it follows prompts insanely. Alright, first step, don't change the model. Keep it as it is. Then right here, just click below and pick your image ratio. I'm gonna select 16.9 for this one. Now, here's where the fun starts. I'm gonna drop in a very minimal prompt. Something simple like Pixar-style colors and graphics, an underwater scene where two fishes are talking to each other. That's it, nothing too crazy. You can type whatever scene you're imagining here, just describe it in your own way. Once you're done writing the prompt, hit that run button. Now wait just a few seconds and boom, the image is ready. Look at that. Check out the details, the lighting, the graphics. Now that we've got the image, the next step is turning it into a video. But for that, we need a proper detailed video prompt so the motion looks smoother, more realistic, and natural. So for this step, go ahead and open up the ChatGPT Bot. The link's down below in the description. Once you're there, upload that same image you just created. Then in the message box, describe the kind of video you want. For example, I just gave it a few dialogues that I want the fishes to say in the video. You can do the same thing. Whatever story or vibe you're going for, just explain it clearly. Now hit run again, and after a few seconds, you'll get a full, detailed video script ready to use. Like, everything will be organized, smooth, and perfectly structured. You can literally copy-paste this script into your video tool, and you'll get super accurate results. Okay, and head to our next tool, everyone's favorite, Sora 2 model. Once you're in Sora, upload that same image we just used, then paste the script right below. After that, click the little settings icon. You'll see options for aspect ratio and video duration. Set those according to your needs. You can make it longer or shorter, totally your call. Once you're done with the settings, hit run, and now your video will start generating. While it's rendering, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we've got a lot more AI experiments coming up. Alright, now the video's ready.
So what's so good about Fishville?
The best thing is that it has no sharks.
No sharks?
Yeah, and
The lip syncing, the physics, the motion. Literally no other AI tool right now can pull this off like Sora 2 does. Okay, now let's move to the next video idea. This time, I'm gonna create a gaming cutscene using Sora 2. So again, let's go back to Google AI Studio, and I'm gonna type in this new prompt. If you also want your results to be as clean and accurate as mine, make sure your prompts are detailed and specific. Don't skip the small stuff. You can pause the video and read my prompt if you want to copy the structure. Alright, now let's hit run again. Wait just a few seconds, and there it is. The image is ready. Look at that. Ultra 4K, exactly the kind of gaming scene I had in my head. That's the magic of a detailed prompt. Now we'll take this image and upload it again to the ChatGPT bot. This time, I'll tell it to create a script for a pre-battle conversation and then a fight scene. That's it. Just a small instruction. Hit run again, and boom. The entire script is ready right in front of you. That's how fast and easy this workflow is. You guys can use the same process for your own ideas, whether it's story scenes, cinematic shots, or animated clips. This method works perfectly for all of them. Now copy that script again, go back to Sora, upload the same image, paste the script, set your ratio and video duration, and click run one more time. And here we go. The final video is ready. Just look at this.
You've crawled from your pit again, hoping your fangs will pierce a god?
The camera angles, the lighting, the effects, everything looks so advanced. Honestly, I got confused for a second if this was even AI generated. Alright, now one final scene before we wrap up. I generated another image. This one's actually a recreation of a famous movie scene. Let's see who can guess which movie it's from. Drop your guesses in the comments below. So again, upload this image to Sora 2. Paste in the script I already prepared earlier, just to save us some time, and hit run. Now wait a few seconds and check this out.
Hurry!
I can see that.
Cut the yellow. No, wait!
Which one?
Red! Red! Cut the red wire.
And that's it for today's video, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful or learned something new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments how this video turned out for you. I'll catch you all in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.